Hello, this is a video on a few things I've learned about Wikipedia images. This follows my first video on Google Images. I'm going to be talking about the Wikimedia Commons, fair use, etc. Let's go ahead and jump over to Wikipedia, and maybe here in the search box we'll type something like Epcot, the Disney park down in Florida. This is a typical Wikipedia page, and if we look here on the right-hand side, we have this nice graphic. If we click it, we come to what's called a file description page, and we have a number of pieces of information here. Notice that there are a number of sizes available for this image. Let's hit the highest one. Let's say we want to put this into PowerPoint. It's going to be on a large screen. And I'm going to copy this. And now I'm going to jump over to my PowerPoint. And I'm going to kind of show like I did on the last video. If you paste this in as just paste it in, the graphic might be a little bit too large. Now, one option is to resize this. Let me show you a strategy for resizing. If you go to size and change the width to, I believe, 10 inches. I believe the slides are 10 inches wide. And then I like to click down here to make sure the height and width percents are the same, so it's proportional. Then it's going to fit nicely on my slide. You'll notice here that there is a little white strip across the bottom. Now, let's go ahead and try another slide and use the other strategy of pasting it in as the background. So let's go to Format Background. I'm going to use this option of Picture or Texture Fill. I'm going to click this button from Clipboard. This time I get my image as the background, and it has stretched it out or done something here so I don't have the white strip. And then you can compare these two and see which one you want to use. I'm noticing here that this left-hand side has been cropped off slightly. So I do not think that the image has been distorted here. I think the proportions are still correct. The round ball is still a round ball. But you can decide which one you'd like to use the best. Okay, here we are back at the file information page from Wikipedia. And down below the graphic it says, this is a file from the Wikimedia Commons. Information from its description page there is shown below. Commons is a freely licensed media file repository. So let's go ahead and go over to the Wikimedia Commons. This is a useful way to find images. This is now the Wikimedia Commons. Let's say we're doing a report on the Parthenon. And let's type in Parthenon. And here we have a bunch of media, and it's nicely organized. Here's some general pictures of the Parthenon. Here's some wide views. Here's some restorations of the Parthenon, some plans. And let's say we want to have some images relative to the pediments, okay? So we can take a look at some of these, and we can also look at some of the very interesting reconstructions that have been done in various museums. Okay, I've jumped back now to the file description for this Epcot. The next thing I'm going to show you here on this page is the information about how you can legally use this. You want to look at this information and see what you're able to do, and if you are going to be using it, what you need to do to use it legally. Here's another example of a description page, and they always tell you if it's legal to use this and how you can use it. Finally, I'd like to point you to the fair use page on Wikipedia that talks about fair use, and also the page on media copyright questions. Have a great day.